What's up, guys? I am back on YouTube. My sister is posting food. Mind the background.
Nilinis ng mga ito ng mabuti.
So,
Isa-isang minuto ng mga kuko.
in last March,
Pinutulan ng kuko.
we hosted educational tour for 2 days. March 36 and March 37. Yeah.
At saka,
So, our first destination, there are 7,
pressure cooker.
but so, basically 6, because the 7th is the hotel. Yeah,
Sunod na inihanda.
it's 2 days, right?
Ang kanilang
Movement
special
earlier.
sauce.
So, first, we got to the Gaudinia. If you're familiar with the Gaudinia, we go, mind my English.
Kanin lang at saka
So we go to the Gaudinia factory. Yes, we go to the Gaudinia factory for about
daming
like
waitress sa isang restaurant sa
30 minutes. I think so. Yeah.
Sumasahod ako bilang isang waitress na
And I saw the factory,
at yun ay
and
pinagkakasya
it was
namin.
so
Ang Mr.
cold,
Ay isang
cold,
waiter.
cold though.
Ang kanyang chicken feet recipe, natutunan lang daw
I don't know how to pronounce the as in the from the alphabet.
Minsan kasing nag-inuman ang
So,
mister ni Irma.
And second, we go to the Mega
Pinabili
Sardines.
po kami ng isang
Do you know Mega? If you know,
gagawin nilang pang partner sa happy-happy ng husband ko.
just comment it. If you know, go Mega, we go to the factory of the Mega Sardines.
Taong 2008, nung sinimulan niya ang
And
kanyang negosyo,
the third, we got to the
Ilalako ko siya.
villa.
Atin ko sa mga bahay-bahay.
There was a billiard table there.
dati
Yeah.
isang kahig, isang
And we
tuka
slept
lang
there
daw
for
na-
1 night.
Ngayon,
And we now,
ang
after that, we headed into the,
at hindi na rin daw napapagod ang kanyang mga paa sa kakalako. Nakapag-finger na
we
kasi
got
sila
to
ng
the,
food cart.
to the National Museum. We got to the National Museum.
Barbecue.
Next up, we got to the, I think, the Rizal Pao.
Lamang loob ng
Cause
sa baboy. Nininis
I think the National Museum and the Meta Park is, Rizal Park is quite close to each other. The National Museum of Fine Arts. And we got to the Omnibus Museum. The Omnibus Museum is just like the Hong Kong with 3D figures like that. But those two celebrities. I see the Marvel, everything you can imagine. It's basically like science and math in just one museum. And we got to Stow City, our last destination. Yes, Stow City is very good, but there is a sad part of the Stow City. I couldn't go to the snow world. Do you know why?
Samantala, hindi
Ah.
binigyan sa ngayon ko ay more than 100 ang isang ganito.
I got asthma.
I
got asthma. That's so sad. But my mom promised that next time I go to Stow City, yes,
Kayang kumain sa 10 tao.
I will now go.
Ano kang hindi babalik? Masarap na, mura pa, busog pa.
Yeah. I am back from YouTube. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I just need 50 subscribers. Oh, 10.
Mahilig kasi sila sa mga pagkain prinito.
But if plus 50,
Ang kainang
thank
ito
you.
sa Mandawi,
I appreciate it.
natumbok daw
All of the
ang
views.
kalat ito.
I have gained massive views. Do you know why I'm not posting? Because I thought I'm still banned from YouTube. But now, I'm unbanned.
Ang dinarayo
Thank you.
kasi yung mga parte ng
And
baboy madalas iniitsapwera ng mga kusinero.